Welcome back to Mind Matrix. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on latest insights. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of billionaires. No, we are not talking about their net worth or flashy lifestyles, but about the habits they practice. So, if you are looking to level up your productivity and mindset, keep watching. It is very interesting that how billionaires think and act on daily basis. Well, their habits might surprise you. From early morning routine to how they manage their time. Billionaires have strategies that most people never ever considered. So, let's jump into it. One of the first habits that every billionaire shares is the early rise. We are talking about waking up before the sun. Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, starts his day at 4:30 a.m. to get a head start. Why? Because it gives them time to focus, think, and get ahead of the competition. It's not just about getting up early, it's about owning that first part of the day. When you wake up early, there are fewer distractions and your mind is fresh. Billionaires use that time to set their intentions for the day, review their goals, and even get a little exercise in. By starting early, they ensure that they are always one step ahead. Another habit is their obsession with the learning, whether it's reading books, listening to podcasts, or learning from mentors. Billionaires never stop growing their knowledge base. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, spent about 80% of his day reading. That's right, 80%. They believe that knowledge is their biggest asset. By constantly consuming new information, they make informed decisions, spot opportunities, and stay ahead of trends. Now, here's the big one: health and fitness. It's easy to assume that billionaires are only focused on their companies and investment, but in reality, many of them put their health first. Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group, has said that the main reason of his success is fitness and health. He works out every single day, claiming that exercise boosts his energy level and mental clarity. Being in good physical shape, it's not about looking good, it's about maintaining the stamina and energy needed to tackle long hours and big decisions. Plus, the connection between physical health and mental clarity is huge. That's why billionaires prioritize fitness as a part of their daily routine. One of the habits that separates successful billionaire from the rest of us is their ability to delegate effectively. They don't try to do everything themselves. Instead, they surround themselves with top tier talent and empower their teams to make decisions. Bill Gates once said, "Your most unhappy customer are the greatest source of learning." This means he is not afraid of delegate the responsibility of solving problems to others in the order to focus on the bigger vision. By delegating tasks and empowering others, billionaires free up their time to focus on matters like growing their business, building relationships, and strategizing for the future. Building a strong team is the key to scaling any business or venture. Finally, gratitude and giving back. Despite their massive success, many billionaires make it a point to practice gratitude daily and giving back to the society. For example, Bill Gates and Melinda Gates have committed to giving away the majority of their wealth through the Gates Foundation. This mindset is a part of larger belief that success is not just about accumulating wealth. It's about using that wealth to make a positive impact in the world. So, there you have it, some of the key habits that billionaires practice to stay ahead, remain productive, and continue growing. Thanks for tuning into today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.